Here at ACRO Automation Systems, we provide custom manufacturing solutions to customers worldwide. This video shows multiple processes to produce a specialty air filter. The first step is a robot retrieving a piece of extruded mesh and positions it on a two-step bender. An operator is loading a loose pleated filter material in a fixture that shuttles the captured material over a piece of the metal mesh. A robot positions another piece of the mesh on top and moves the sandwich to the next station, where the bender marries the three pieces into one. The filter section is shuttled out and ready for the next step. This part is combined with two others, forming a triangular prism. The robot then places the filter assembly on a conveyor where they will head off for additional operations.